Hello there. Well, I'm building and repairing things from, I don't know, since I have memory. That's not too much actually. But now I'm facing my biggest challenge yet, creating life. That's right, that means I am a god. But apparently, according with what the people will think, it's not socially acceptable to raise a child in what is essentially a glorified storage closet. So we are turning this tiny space into something that actually looks like a place for a baby. Will it be spacious? No. Will it work? Hopefully. Will it meet the minimum legal requirements for not being reported to the child services? Finger crossed. Let's make it barely acceptable.
So I have this closet, and I need all of this inside the closet. I need to make some space. Maybe you can guess why. Maybe. My plan is I need 2 shelves and 2 of this, which is the same. I already bought the wood. They fit perfectly. Yes. And also I'm printing the brackets for the shelf. 16 in total. I'm using the laser level, exactly 15 centimeters. The brackets are ready. The drill. Looks better if you don't see the holes. Now it's perfectly aligned. Nice. First one is finished. Nice and secure. So according with this level, it's not even straight. I need 3 more. Oh, I'm a genius. You know, you can use isopropylic alcohol for removing the ink. Let's see this time. So close. Up. As always, I'm using the alcohol for solving the mistakes. How can I be that idiot? Again. And fucking again. How can I be so stupid? Okay, another one done. The last one. Yes. This is how it looks. Yes. Yes, closing well. Finally, it's done. We have to fill it with all the things on the shelf. What do you think? Okay, it's done. This one is empty. And we move everything to here. Still not full. And this is not even the final form. We still need to relocate all these things. I also moved this shelf to here. We painted the base in light green and used 2 other shades of green to create mountains on one of the walls. We have some moisture issues here. Water was getting filtered from here, but I put some new cement. We also inherit a crib that we had to clean, assemble, hunt for screws, and do some extra fixes on, because nothing in my life comes easy. Next thing was painting Smog, the dragon, a wholesome portrait that Julia made for me for my last birthday and now belongs to Leo. Of course, I need to make some mistakes before.
¿Por qué? Si lo medio bien.
Enfocar, porque no lo que ha pasado.
Pues,
Well, this is not the room, but for the baby, we already set the air conditioner in the living room. And also here, because it's going to be hot in summer.
as you can see, the drawers were coming apart, so I had to glue them back together with contact glue and put some weight on top. They are holding up perfectly now. I also took off the handles, gave them a quick sanding, and I painted them using the same green gradient from the wall. If my kid doesn't appreciate this, I'm not speaking to him ever.
First layer, third layer, Demon Slayer.
I think it's looking good, right? Since the room is small, we're trying to get that Hobbit aesthetic because Hobbits are small, the room is small, you know. Of course, the room is not finished. There will be more videos about that, so if you have any suggestion or any weird opinion about the diapers, or if you want me to send you some of them, used one, just let me know down below in the comments.